Like, are we gonna buy a house? Like, is this happening?
It's a fling only.
It's a fling, yeah.
Thank you for supporting my surgical endeavors.
We did it. We submitted the offer.
You mean you submitted the offer?
I submitted the offer.
Good morning.
Good morning. Today's an eventful day, so
oh my god, it's so shaky.
We have this amazing list that says like cars that are most prone to catalytic converter theft, and Kevin and my car are both like top of the list, which
because we both like hybrids and we both like environmentally friendly cars.
Yeah, so I guess neither of us will be parking on the streets. She belongs to the streets.
Yours isn't that expensive though. I think yours is only like $300 or $400.
Okay, so with that logic, should we be parking my car on the streets? Is that what you're saying?
I guess, because my car, changing it is $1,500.
It's like worth more than your whole car's worth.
No, it's like 10% of my car. I should just leave it like a race car.
Yeah, so today we are going house touring. We're continuing the house shopping chronicles. We're also stopping by a post office.
I need to have a lot of research meetings during the middle of the day.
Yeah, so Kevin is on research week, which is why he's so darn free.
I should be doing more reading.
I could really get used to this, like actually having someone like do like life with me. Like that would be awesome.
Gosh, should I quit residency?
No, that's like your one life skill. I think Kevin's like pretty talented. We have Kevin's recycling company here. It's actually amazing because like normally I do all of this stuff on my own with no help. So it's actually kind of nice like having someone at home. It feels different, you know? By the way, you guys, I have been literally obsessed with eating these Nature's Bakery bars. Like I literally cannot stop eating them. This is all I eat, and they sent us a huge package of it. They sent us flavors that like I've never even tried before, like baked in chocolate oats and baked in a banana chocolate chip. I think I'm gonna try that one today. Okay guys, here is what the outfit of the day looks like. I actually kind of did my hair. Basically, I curled the first two pieces. We have this puffer from Abercrombie that's literally, I think it's like a 1.5 years old now, but I got it on sale for like 40 bucks, which is kind of amazing. And then we got these new boots. Kevin is not a fan, so he's telling me to return them, but I don't know, I think they're kind of a mood. So I asked you guys on IG stories to pick, and then based on whatever you guys pick, I'll either keep them or return them. Okay, so update on this house shopping situation. We're just gonna take it day by day and
week by week, month by month, year by year.
I mean, I hope it doesn't take that long to find a house. Like by that time, we won't even be in Seattle. Yeah, I mean, if the right house comes along, we'll take it. I was gonna say we're not searching. Like if it comes, it comes. But like we are searching, so like, you know, it's complicated. Like relationship status, complicated. Can't really find a house, but want a house, you know?
So it's like renting a house, like a short-term relationship, and like
yes, so like we have to
like
break up
marriage.
in like, you know, a couple months, so we have to like figure it out.
So you have to find a new person. You don't want to work with the people here because you can't buy it. So this one's like it's a fling only.
It's a fling, yeah. We're just dating. It's a summer fling.
But there's a contract. We can't break the contract or else we have to pay them a lot of money.
You're right, so it's like a toxic relationship. I'm just gonna leave these here because I'm literally on cloud 9. Okay, so breakfast ASMR.
Can you remind me to get the ASMR stuff?
You just ruined my ASMR. Cheers. I hope you ate breakfast today.
Hello, welcome. This is part of the vlog, part Kevin. Miki is trying to find something to wear because
Like what I was wearing.
she has a closet full of clothes times 3, and then she says, I have nothing to wear.
I'm gonna end up wearing sweatpants.
This is what happens. She's like, tries it on. She's like, this is so cute for like 5 minutes. And she's like, this is terribly uncomfortable. I'm not gonna wear this.
Okay, I literally went through all that to wear like the same outfit that I wear
Looks nice.
every single day. Okay,
You're
let's
wearing
go.
those boots though.
I don't know if it's a look.
Just wear the golden boots.
Oh, but then I'll literally be wearing what I always wear.
I like that.
Wait, okay, maybe jeans out, pants out. I think we're good. Okay, you guys, I really did not think this was gonna happen. I got almost no footage from the house because we had to have like 4 agents take us in there because it was still like an active construction site. But I genuinely like fell in love with the home. Like out of all of the like 50 homes we've seen so far, this one is the best fit. So I'm pretty sure we're gonna put an offer in, and because it's not on the market yet and people don't know that there's new construction here yet, which like is kind of to our benefit, but they have an open house this weekend, so we're trying to beat that timeline, and I'm just gonna keep my fingers crossed and pray that we can get it. But I'm trying not to get too attached when I've like already envisioned my whole life in this house. So yeah, I feel like I'm talking so fast. I'm like so nervous because I'm like, oh my god, am I gonna get it? Am I not gonna get it? Like I literally has been spending so much time house shopping for no good reason. So finally have a good reason. But okay, I'm in Bellevue. I'm about to pick up some sandwiches for myself, and then we gotta go get laser hair removal. But my mind is all house. Like that's all I can think about right now. Did we seriously, like, are we gonna buy a house? Like, is this happening? Are we gonna buy a house? Kevin got me a little llama after watching Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha, by the way, if anyone knows what that reference means. People always ask me what my #1 recommendation coming to Seattle, like if you're gonna visit, what you should definitely go eat. And one of my favorite things are tray sandwiches, and they literally taste like sandwiches straight from Japan. They have egg salad, they have all this stuff. I'm gonna pull the window because I'm literally sweating from this house situation. I'm like minorly stressed. But the other thing that is so delicious is this pudding, and they like make it in house. It's so delicious. So I'm gonna just take a bite and calm myself down. I don't even know what they put in this. Like definitely a lot of sugar because it tastes so good. Okay guys, I just got home from laser hair removal. It honestly took less than 5 minutes and it was pretty painless. But I just got my pre-approval letter in the email. So my loan agent said we have the go-ahead and I've got the pre-approval. And because this house has no HOA, it ends up being like the same monthly payment that I would have gotten for like a $200K cheaper condo. So this is actually kind of lit. I'm keeping my fingers crossed and trying not to get too excited, but we're hoping to actually get an offer into the house today, which is a Thursday, and then hopefully we can hear back by tomorrow, because this house is gonna be having open houses this weekend, which means that if there's more competition, then they're gonna jack up the prices. Do you think we're gonna get the house? What do you think? I think you would like it, Boros. I think you would like it. There's a little rooftop and you can go hang out there. What do you think? That sound like a plan?
Hello, Miki picked me up. I went through a lot of research meetings. I think I'm gonna write like a proposal tomorrow, hopefully, just to get some stuff on paper.
Yay!
And then I got a little meal deal from Kentucky, or no, not Kentucky Fried Chicken.
From QFC.
Called QFC. And then I also got some loops. It was like a meeting. It's kind of sketchy. They just like had a little booth set up in the cafeteria.
I don't think people know what loops are.
Loops? Babe. You know how like surgeons have like glasses, but they have like little things on them that like magnifies things? So up to this point, I've just been like using my eyeballs. Mm-hmm. But supposedly it makes things better. But they just had a bunch of like lens frames and like different magnifications for us to try. So I ended up and then like figuring out your intraocular distance and everything. And then they tried different glasses and like how far my eyeball is and how far my hands are compared to them. But you have a free 6-week or 6-month, like you can change settings. You just have to ship it back to them.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, for the first 6 months. But yeah, it's like you have to wait for the shipping, which is like a week or 2 on both sides.
Cool.
And you can also change so I got magnification 2.5.
Okay.
Which is like the least amount, I guess. You can, like some people who are doing like more technical work can do like 3.5 or like higher. But the higher you go, the depth of field is less. Like things become out of focus more easily. So I mean, I just started surgery and I've been doing everything with my eyeballs and it was been fine. So I think just having a little bit more magnification should be helpful. But we'll see. They have pretty good returns. It's like $1,100. Like pretty expensive.
Yeah, Kevin was gonna pay for them, but then I decided that we would be nice and we would pay for them for Kevin. But actually, we'd like to say thank you to you guys because it's really you guys that are paying for Kevin's loops. So thank you for allowing a surgeon to do what a surgeon does. Am I right?
Yes. There's like
say
three
thank you to your fans.
Thank you everyone. Thank you for supporting my surgical endeavors.
So there's like a lot of different laws about, whether they can build a house, row house, townhouse, and apartments. Okay. So the height limit here is 50 feet. Okay. So I'm just looking at that view. Whether if that. Have our view be obstructed. So I'm looking. So it could technically be blocked, but it's close. It's pretty close. That's fine.
Yes, I will show you.
Kevin 现在正在画当中。
Okay. Hello, we just spent the last 40 minutes reading legal documents.
Yes, it was like 50 something pages, but we did it. We submitted the offer.
You mean you submitted the offer?
I submitted the offer.
By me pressing the button?
Yeah, I get really nervous to press the button, so I always make Kevin press the button for like scary text messages, like important documents, like.
You mean how you were like, I'm gonna read all the way through, and after 2 pages, you're like, Kevin, read all of this.
Yes.
Tell me if anything's wrong.
Kevin is my executive assistant.
Except I don't get paid.
What? Yeah, paid in love.
Paid in slaps. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Do you want me to make a blueprint of the house and try to figure out?
Kevin is like ready to move in. We haven't even gotten the house
The
yet.
house isn't even done.
Kevin is like, I want this, I want that. Like the home needs to have this, and I'm ready to upgrade the bed.
We need
No
to
comment?
figure out some closet space situation. I don't think we've increased our closet space
I don't
at
want to
all.
like get too hopeful, but like, the fact that we like find out in like 24 hours is like kind of intimidating. Can they just tell us now? Like, yes or no? Okay guys, that's the end of this vlog. We will keep you guys posted. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Comment down below if you think we're gonna get the house, if you think we're not gonna get the house. This is our very, very, very first offer. Our very first offer. So, I don't know.
Second almost offer, real offer.
Yeah, we almost wrote
I
an
don't
offer
know.
last time.
I think this combination of all the things that we want in a house.
So, okay, so Kevin and I have like very different things that we need, but this is the first house that has encapsulated like everything. So, fingers crossed. Hit that thumbs up if you want to wish us luck in getting this house, and we will keep you guys posted. Don't forget to follow us on our socials on Instagram because we post more frequent updates there. So you might find out if we get the house or not there sooner.
Don't forget you're at 10 out of 10.
And don't let anyone ever make you feel otherwise. Your
Yes.
best is enough, and we're about to buy a house!